Every culinary adventure starts with a spark of curiosity, a desire to create something delectable, delightful, and utterly unique. Today, we'll embark on a journey to master one such dish that has won hearts all around the world: the versatile, the delicious, the quintessentially French crepes. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a novice in the kitchen, this guide will help you step by step, from choosing the right ingredients to serving a plate of perfect crepes. So grab your apron, ignite your passion, and let's get ready to dive into the art of crepe making. Now, let's talk about ingredients. We start with flour, which provides structure, ensuring our crepes are sturdy enough to hold the fillings yet delicate enough to melt in your mouth. Next, we have eggs. Eggs act as the binding agents in our crepe mixture, holding everything together. They give our crepes their distinctive soft and tender texture. Then comes the milk, which introduces a silky smoothness to our mix. It dilutes the batter just enough to achieve the thin, light consistency we desire in our crepes. Butter adds a hint of indulgence, enhancing the overall flavor. It also lends a beautiful golden hue to our crepes as they cook. Finally, a pinch of salt. Salt amplifies the flavors of all other ingredients, making our crepes taste just right. So there you have it, the essential components of crepe making. Now let's prepare the batter. First, whisk the eggs until they're frothy. As you're whisking those eggs, gradually add in the milk. This will ensure a smooth, well-integrated batter. Next up, the flour. Add the flour gradually, just like the milk, and mix it in until it's just combined. Overmixing can make your batter tough. Finally, let your batter rest. This allows the gluten in the flour to relax, giving your crepes a smooth, elastic texture. Once you have your batter ready, it's time to cook the crepe. The first step is to heat your pan at a medium heat. Once your pan is heated, pour in the batter. You'll want to gently tilt and swirl the pan in a circular motion to spread the batter evenly. Once the batter is spread, let it cook for about a minute or until the edges start to curl up slightly. This is your sign that it's time to flip the crepe. Let the other side cook for another minute or so. You're looking for a golden brown finish. Now let's talk about the fillings. You can go sweet, you can go savory, or mix and match. For a sweet option, Nutella-filled crepe is a classic, or perhaps you'd prefer a lighter option like fresh fruits and whipped cream. For a savory option, ham, cheese, and eggs make a great filling. Once you've decided on your filling, simply spoon it onto one half of the crepe. Remember, don't overstuff your crepe. Once your filling is in place, fold your crepe. Finally, let's add the finishing touches. Dust your crepe with powdered sugar, drizzle with syrup or sauce, and add a dollop of whipped cream or ice cream. These finishing touches enhance not just the taste, but also the presentation. And there you have it, a perfect crepe. Now go forth and impress your friends with your newfound crepe making skills. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to our channel for more positive content.